National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. South shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 4 p.m. At 2:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots near Sandy Hook, moving east at 15 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Middle Bay, Jones Inlet around 4 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following marine locations: